Hi guys, it's that time of the year that we call the year-end meet and greet together with my MG5 club members here in Cebu. As you can see guys, ako pa lang yung nauna dito sa meeting place namin. But it's okay kasi I am willing to wait for my friends to come here and enjoy this meet and greet. And after a few minutes, may nagbiblink sa likod. Glad to see, nakakulay ko pa talaga. So ang second runner-up, I see Sir Rai. He just got his unit this year. And here's another unit, gray pa rin, si Sir Robert. Hindi halatang gusto nila ng gray.
Sir!
Sir!
Kamusta?
Morning, sir.
And here comes the most upgraded MG5 in Cebu. Every time may meet and greet kami, always may bago sa unit niya. Just imagine guys, at least 4 times a year kaming nag-meet and greet dito sa Cebu. With that guys, I am proud to introduce to you si Sir Rex Viralio. Not only that he has the most upgraded unit in Cebu, he is also very approachable when you ask him about his unit. So I think we are all set. We are just waiting for the last unit. He is on his way para makapagsimula na kaming mag-joyride. And here comes Sir Alan with his Morning Gold unit.
Motoik na lang ta.
Salamat. Sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning.
Luto na sa imong unit eh.
Iyay! So ayan guys, we are good to go. Let's roll out!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
As you can see guys, hindi lang maganda ang kotse ni Sir Rex. He is also always ready para sa mga outdoor activities like this.
Puto si Kwati. Sus si Kwati.
Puto, dalam si Kwati.
Oh, sus ang si Kwati. Oh, init-init pa yun, bay. Okay.
During our meet and greets guys, it's very normal na may hahabol sa venue. When that happens, we are happy. Kasi nga, the more the merrier. And this time, it's
Manual.
a red MG5 core variant. By just looking at it guys, alam ko kung anong variant ng isang MG5. This is Sir Gene, introduced by Sir Alan to our group. You might be wondering guys kung ano yung ginagawa during meet and greet. Actually, wala lang. Just mere discussion of upgrades, sharing of informations about the unit, especially knowing the fact na ang MG5 is not yet that much dito sa Cebu. So we rely on the advices ng mga naunang mga MG5 car owners. After few minutes, eto may humabol pa. Walang iba, ang aming maintenance manager dito sa Cebu, sa lahat ng GC, si Sir Jay. Ganito kami kasaya pag nag-meet and greet. And since dumating na si Sir Jay, it's time na mag-uwian na kami.
Thank you. Sige sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, sige. Sige, thank you sir. Sige, thank you.
So that's the end of our year-end meet and greet here in Cebu. Just when I thought na tapos na ang lahat, I just realized na meron pang isang unit na humabol. Another Morning Gold unit, si Sir Greg. Grabe, I did not expect. Humabol pa talaga. I would like to thank everyone na nag-participate sa year-end meet and greet namin. And even sa mga humabol pa, thank you so much. Looking forward for another meet and greet next year. So I'll see you on my next vlog guys. And I'll see you on our next meet and greet. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.